Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Check iOS and that your carrier permits personal hotspot. Once done, enable cellular data so the connection can share internet. If signal seems stuck, toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to refresh. Next, open settings to set a clear hotspot password and verify your iPhone name. This is the SSID other devices will see. Make sure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi is available depending on how you plan to connect, and keep the device unlocked while configuring. Now you execute the connection. Choose Wi-Fi for ease, Bluetooth for low power, or USB for stability. For Wi-Fi, on the client device, pick your iPhone SSID and enter the password. For Bluetooth, pair both devices in settings and accept the connection. For USB, connect the cable, tap Trust on the iPhone, and enable personal hotspot. If the client won't get an IP address, renew its DHCP lease or restart its network adapter. Make sure low data mode or VPN isn't blocking tethering. Finish by confirming connectivity. Open a browser or run a speed test on the connected device to verify data flows. If the link drops, first toggle personal hotspot off and on, then restart both devices. USB users should try a different cable or port. Once reconnected, monitor data usage and set auto-lock to a longer interval so the hotspot stays active. If these steps fail, reset network settings on the iPhone to clear corrupt configs. Note this reset saved Wi-Fi and VPN profiles, so be prepared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.